You're welcome to my channel. OS Jeremiah is my name, your cryptocurrency specialist from the Nigerian country. In this episode, I'm going to uncover the tangible secrets ever with the title What Makes Cryptocurrency Billionaire. Remember to subscribe below this video by the right side and put all notification. Do it now as you are watching this video and put all notification. Let's use the CoinMarketCap, the most popular cryptocurrency tracking platform in the world. Let me review the market short in few seconds before I go straight to the title. As of today, 19th of November, year 2021, we have 14,477 cryptocurrencies in the entire world with 431 exchanges and 2.4, almost 2.5 trillion dollars invested in cryptocurrency globally. What exactly makes cryptocurrency a billionaire? Let's slow down a little bit. Look at the screen very well. Bitcoin, the giant of the entire cryptocurrency in the first position, went as high as almost $69,000 and is now trading at let's look at trading fuel and see what is happening in Bitcoin. Look at the screen very well. The Bitcoin plummets to 55k plus. Get in, get in. Forget about the news across the social networks. Get in cheaply. This is an opportunity for you, whether you like it or not. The same Bitcoin that is plummeting this morning, 19th of November, year 2021 in a Nigerian country, we reverse back to the all-time high of $69,000. We go to 100,000, 200,000, 1 million. And from this price, when you reach 1 million, you can easily make 20x. Get in and forget about the fucking noises disturbing you across the network. We look at Ethereum on the screen. Ethereum tried as much as possible to hold $4,000 in the last 24 hours. And when you look at the screen very well, the same Ethereum, the number one building platform in the world, that's the largest percentage of the building projects are built on, we go to a lot of thousands of dollars in the future, and it is very easy for you to make 10x, 20x, or 20 times, even 100x in the future. It depends on how long, because as long as you can hold in two cycles. I want to know the fact that if you are 30 today and I tell you to invest for just 5 years, which is one cycle in cryptocurrency industry, remember, whether you like it or not, you are going to be 35. If you are 30 today, I tell you to invest for 1 decade, you don't want to do it, whether you like it or not, you are going to be 40. So it is high time for you to make while additions at the same Ethereum. You see, in $4,000 today, we go to $400,000, whether you like it or not. Let's go to our calculator. Let's say you are a millionaire, you have money, you invested $1 million, $1 million, €1 million, or £1 million. Ethereum will go to 100x multiplied by 100. Wow, that is 100 million. If you can manage yourself to multiply this by 10 again, which is very easy to even do in a single day in cryptocurrency industry, congratulations, you have become a billionaire. So becoming a billionaire in cryptocurrency industry has never been a rocket science. You just need to listen to my specialist instruction and make a white sign, which means do the right thing at the right time. Look, let's go down a little bit. This is Binance in number 3rd position, the biggest exchange in the entire world. Remember, when I ask you now, you will say, Binance is going down, you can't get it. Let's use Binance chart as a case study. Let me go to Binance/USDT, the most traded combination in the entire world now, as a case study in this episode with the title What Makes Cryptocurrency a Billionaire. Look at the screen very well. Binance has been going down from all-time high of $691. Let me scroll to the back. 600 all-time high of Binance, $691. If I don't forget, I can't forget. Let me go to the weekly charts. I can't forget. Binance went as high as $691. Let me go to the weekly chart. Wow, you can see. Look at the top, $691. Look at the chart. Look at the top. So that is it. So the same Binance you see going down today and went as low as $510 is going to crazy high. Whether you like it or not, in the next 1 decade, Binance will go as high as a lot of X. So if you get in today with 1 million and you are going to make like 100x, which is 100x of the present price today. Let's say we put 1 million, we reach 100 million, and you just need to make it 10x again using the low cap cryptocurrency in the market that can easily give you 10x in a day, in a week, in less than a month. If possible for NFT, this NFT project, fine. Refinable, which is the fine ticker, 1 to 300x in a single day. Why can't you make 10x when you want to double, when you want to 10x your balance from 100 million to $1 billion or euro or pounds or Japanese yen, depends on your country's currency. So you can now see that becoming a billionaire in cryptocurrency is not a rocket science. Look at this cryptocurrency, Solana. Solana was around $1 in the month of January year 2021 this year. And this 11 months now, the month of November, Solana went more than 200x. 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 Let's go back to our calculator. It was only because you fear you 200, say 1 million multiplied by 200. 200 million. You just need to multiply this by 5 to become a millionaire. Congratulations. You are now a billionaire, having 1 billion in the cryptocurrency industry. When you put 1 million in Solana in the month of January, just 11 months, you have 200 million. Find another 5x, multiply that money by 5 in the cryptocurrency industry again, and you are a billionaire. So becoming a billionaire in the cryptocurrency industry is never a rocket science. Don't allow all those fucking people, plenty across the network, posting nonsense because of they don't like cryptocurrency, they don't want you to get it, they don't want you to be free out of financial calamity, they don't want you to be successful. That is the reason why they used to disturb you with their fucking posts across Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Clubhouse, TikTok, all the social network, LinkedIn. They don't want you to be successful. People are investing crazily behind the skin, but when they get to the public network, they will post nonsense. Remember, Diamond Demon posed the same in the past. All those giants in cryptocurrency today, they did the same in the past. So don't bother them. Think like Tika Tiwari, the most rated cryptocurrency expert in the entire world. Think like Superman. Think like BitBoy, that is having the highest community in the cryptocurrency industry, and you are going to become a millionaire. The Polkadot, look at the screen very well at the top. The Polkadot you see at $39 today will make 100x. Whether you like it or not, will make 100 to 1000x in the next 1 decade. Look at all this. You can see that we cryptocurrency specialists hate to campaign something like Dogecoin because of it is a meme coin. But Dogecoin produced a lot of millionaires, even billionaires in this year 2021. Shiba Inu, I don't need to tell you anything. Shiba Inu went more like 80 million x, 80 million times return on investment. And somebody that invested $10, one of my students invested $10 and make crazy return. Imagine somebody invested just $8,000 in Shiba Inu and the result was $5.7 billion. $8,000 turned to $5.7 billion in space of 1 year. You can now see that when you are looking for where to make the crazy profit, cryptocurrency industry is where you need. And at the same time, don't forget to get into this Nigerian currency. I posted to my community yesterday to get into this scheme. Even this has made almost 50% of return on investment in the last 24 hours because of I updated my community to get in yesterday at 50% low, and they have made 50% of profits now. So try to follow me in the description below. You will see my Telegram private channel link. Go click the link and go to my channel where you are going to be access highly profitable content ever in the cryptocurrency industry on a daily basis. So this is Wakanda Ino, the African cryptocurrency meme that the entire African continent are investing big now. And as I did before yesterday, they announced 70k holders, 70k people that are holding Wakanda Ino in cryptocurrency industry, and most of them are from African continent. So this is our cryptocurrency from African continent, and we are going to support this currency till the end of this generation. A lot of things are going on in the cryptocurrency industry, and the best way for you to know is to click the description below now and join my Telegram channel, and you are going to be surprised the big things, highly profitable content I used to uncover on a daily basis. I'm going to cut this story short here because if you allow me to be talking, I will keep talking till the next 1 hour. So below this video, try to like it by the left side so that you go viral. Like it now by the left side so that you go viral. And you never subscribe, please click subscription below this video by the right side and put all notification, because I used to post minimum of 3 to 7 videos on a weekly basis, and I'm posting another one within the next few hours, so that you'll be notified immediately and you'll be the first to access highly profitable content in the cryptocurrency industry. And also, try as much as possible to click the description below this video, and you are going to see a lot of links to follow me on a daily basis, especially my Telegram link below this video. Click it and you're going to access my Telegram channel, where you can access the free highly profitable content I used to share every day. You will see my Twitter link. Try to follow me on Twitter, and when you get to Twitter, you are going to learn something big about the cryptocurrency industry. I'm going to see other links to the necessary things where I used to be active on a daily basis. And also, which is lastly, let me hear your voice in the comments below. Please comment now. Let me know if you have been impacted. If you have been impacted with this video, if you have been impacted through this video, or maybe you benefited something, or I am doing it wrong, please let me know in the video below, so that I will know what to correct, because I'm producing this episode for you, not for myself. And also, do you have any problem that is seriously affecting you in the cryptocurrency industry? Let me know in the comments, and I'm going to reply you immediately. You can now see that becoming a millionaire in the cryptocurrency industry has never been a rocket science. You just need to make a white Sean sign, do everything that I've been telling you, click the description and go to my Telegram channel, and you're going to be surprised about the tangible information that are waiting for you there. So making money in cryptocurrency industry has never been a rocket science. You just need to follow the right specialists for you to make the best in this industry. Don't forget that so far you have been hearing the voice of OS Jeremiah, your cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. Watch out for another Power Pack episode within the next few hours. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.